Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to be fixing my lemon sorbet type of slime. So let's get started. Okay, so first I'm just going to show you the basic texture of the lemon sorbet. Sorry, my sister's coming through. It's a very type of non-really stretchy slime. Like, it does stretch, but you see it does tear at the end. So she's doing that on purpose, so ignore her. So, yeah, and it's kind of like I added too much yellow food coloring and it's really orangey now. So hopefully when I add the stuff in, it lightens it up. So the material I'm going to use is some lotion and some basic water. This is just a broken water bottle. I guess it broke. But yeah, let's get started. So the slime is very glossy, but very non-stretchy because I made it pretty fast. So it's like not really a best slime. Okay, so this might get messy, so I rolled up my sleeves since I do have long sleeves on. But first, don't mind my nails. I'm going to add a few pumps of lotion. 5. Next, I'm going to add like a squirt of water, not much. So there's water. So yeah, now I'm going to mix this up in times-lapse that you were upside down. Sorry that it was upside down, but now I'm just going to start mixing this in really well that it's going to probably get a little messy. But I will do time-lapse so you don't have to sit here and watch me do this 50 miles an hour. I mean, a mile an hour. So, yeah. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do it one more time because this one is pretty good. It could be better. Ooh, bubble. Hate popping those types of bubbles because it kind of gets everywhere. So I'm just repeating the steps, spreading it out. 5 pumps. That's about 5. Then a little bit of water. Oop, that was a little bit too much. But yeah, so I'm going to do time-lapse. Okay, so I think I'm going to do it actually one more time just because it's not like it's sticky yet. It's pretty stretchy, but I just want it to be the ultimate max stretch it could be. And I don't really want to put this little slime in this big little container. It actually filled up way more this time. So yeah, I'm not going to add more water because more water equals jiggly slime, and I don't want this to be a jiggly slime. I like jiggly slime, don't get me wrong. But I don't want a jiggly slime. I'll be back when I get pumps out of here. So I had to actually manually open this, that's why it's so messy. But yeah, let's get mixing. Okay, so this is the final product, and I don't know if you could notice in the time-lapse, the lights flickered on and off, because this happens. It moves the plug. And you may hear beeping in the back, that's just the air conditioning. So yeah, so this is the final product. It does have a little bit of a tack to it, but I like slimes like that, so yeah. So, thanks for watching, guys. I may do a small ASMR clip, but probably not because I'm running on battery percentage. But yeah, so here is a small ASMR clip.